So according to you, why are so many people dissatisfied with their jobs?
There was actually a survey conducted by the Economic Times, and they do this every 5 years. They survey more than 1 lakh people across tier 1 and tier 2 cities. And the last survey, the number one reason for dissatisfaction with your job was bad relationships, in the workplace with your boss and your colleagues. So please understand, there is a lot of introspection to be done when it comes to such situations where you have a bad relationship with a boss or a colleague. Because many a times what is happening is that you are being challenged to grow, okay? And that you can only discern if you have the ability to introspect and self-reflect. Because we try to take the path of least resistance. And many a times the path of least resistance leads us down a road where we want to run away from the problem, where we want to bury our head in the sand. So please understand, the number one reason was bad relationships at work with your boss and your colleagues. The second reason was that the company is not able to provide you a career roadmap. And that's essential because, we want to live lives of significance. We want to live lives of meaning. We want to know that this is not all there is. There is a future that is brighter, and our best days are not behind us. And being able to make significant progress in all areas of of one's life, not just in one's career, it's associated with the feeling of hope, and that's very essential to being human. A company that proactively helps its workforce understand that there is a career roadmap for them, that they will grow if they make positive contributions, is critical. And one of the things that the pandemic did was it caused so much confusion and so much disruption, problems for so many industries that companies didn't know what their next step is. So naturally, that did not trickle down to people's career paths, their career roadmaps. So that's been another reason why the workforce, especially the skilled workforce, has been so dissatisfied. The third reason is the financial reason. It's the overall package, the overall remuneration. We are far more social than we are monetary. A lot of people would choose feeling fulfilled and happy with work over money. Now, money by itself is probably the single most important variable when looking at a job, but it cannot be looked at in isolation, right? Money is going to run the economic engine of your life. But if you look at it by itself and you're in a job where you love your salary but you hate the work, that's not a sustainable situation. And similarly, it can't be the opposite. You can't be in a position where you love your job but you hate your salary. So, there has to be a balance between these two. So these, I think, are the three top reasons. But what it comes down to is the ability to look inside, to be able to reflect and introspect that if I'm facing difficult relationships or difficult situations in my professional life, are these opportunities to grow or are they truly unfair situations? If somebody's playing some minor politics, or if there is a difficult project that requires a tremendous amount of effort, then don't victimize yourself in those situations. Okay, don't play the victim card. These are opportunities to grow, and being able to discern truly which is going to be critical to being able to feel the professional satisfaction and be that person who can create a phenomenal career.